Alright guys and girls, welcome back at 1/50th of a second. I'm recording this at 3.5 and this is got a 1 point something plus millimeters to it extra. ISO's at 1000, so you might see some like sort of glaring on the actual thing itself. Anyway, so on the last video we just unboxed the 35mm APS-C f1.7, and this is the multi-coated ones, 35, and that's what it says, 35mm. So we just unboxed that, which we're going to do a review of that in coming videos. I'm going to unbox this one now. This one is the 50mm one, 1.7 multi-coated, full frame. So this is going to be probably a bit larger, this one, by the looks of it. It says multi-coated, coloured. And this is for the Sony as well, which I'm doing the unboxing. I'll probably do a review. This one actually comes with a little sort of, I don't know what you actually call this, probably like a cover of some sort, which keeps, I suppose it keeps the sun off and everything. So put that one to the side there. Then we got a lens cleaner. Actually the lens cleaner came with the other one as well, so we got two lens cleaner for the actual lenses. Then we got a manual which looks like it's in sort of Chinese or Cantonese language, as well as probably English as well. Yep, there's an English one. It's the warranty, so anything goes wrong. Then we've also got here, because this is the Meike, and this one I think was 90 because of it being a 50mm, and hopefully I'm going to be using these like for portraits as well, maybe some close-up shots as well, because this is going to be sort of wide as well. So I'm not too sure what the equivalent to this is going to be though, but there we go, nice quality. Oh, that lens come off, the cap there came off quite easy. Let's have a look. Or does that just clip on there? Ah, there we go. That just clips off like that. It's got the logo Meike there. So you open, so you go that way to lock and that way to open. So you turn that way to open, and that's the, you can see the aperture, which is slightly closed. And then you've got the, looks like the way they've done this, where it's open like that, it looks like the Nikon way, the way Nikon does a lot of their cameras. That's the main lens, so it's quite big. And yeah, there we go. We got the, we've got the F. So that's the focal bit there. So we got a focal of 1.7 at 22.8 f-stops, I think, and you could do up to 2.3 to 0.7 feet in meters. So meters is, so 0.7 meters, which is the equivalent to 2.3 meters, 3.5 meters, 10 meters, and then you've got the infinity on there as well. So I'm going to be testing these out because I've actually not really had a challenge like this to use a proper lens like that, so this should be all interesting. So we've got this one here, which is the 50, and then we've got the 35 as well, which I'm going to be uploading both of these probably today, which is the 7th today. So I've got two there. So this one's slightly bigger than this one, the 50mm 1.17, and this one is the, because you can do actually this one's a 35mm 1.7 as well. So that's yeah, there we go. There's the 1.7. This is a little bit darker here due to the fact let's have a look, see if I can, yeah, there we go, because I've got the lens to 16mm at the moment on this camera, so you're seeing it quite wide. That's why on the table I've got this one here, and then we've got this one right over that end. That's actually wide at 16mm. Anyway, guys and girls, if you enjoy these episodes, these ones, I'll be doing some tests on these, maybe out and about, but I wanted these ones at 1.7, both of them, the 35 and the 50, due to the amount of light it comes in and the sharpness on it, and also the quickness as well, so you'll be seeing it even quicker. Anyway, if you enjoyed any of these videos, unboxings, let us know in the comments below. Cheers all for watching. On the last video it cut out, so I do apologise, but my actual memory ran out on the memory card, so I had to wipe some of it clean. I'm also doing my dinner and my breakfast video in a minute at the same time, gone 8 o'clock. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, guys and girls, do like, favourite, share, comment, subscribe. You've been a lovely audience. Cheers for watching and stay safe all. Catch you later.